Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. This Suburban is featured in the LT trim and is a gray paint finish. It includes features such as a powered liftgate, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, heated front leather bucket seats, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, power adjustable pedals, as well as 8 passenger seating, a max trailering package with trailer brake controller and an auto-locking rear differential. Now starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see a chrome finish door handle, door locks, unlocks. Below it, all of our powered mirror, powered windows, and window and safety locks. Then the bottom of the door, we have some additional storage, our driver's seat memory, as well as a large Bose speaker. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have all of our powered settings. Driver's seat is finished in a black leather and is heated in the front of the vehicle. Moving to the to our additional controls, we have our lighting controls to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, drive mode select, trailer brake controller, as well as our traction control, parking sensors, lane keep assist, and power adjustable pedals. Inside the vehicle itself, above the steering wheel, we have our display cluster. You can see that we have a digital information system in the center that we can change by the steering wheel. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise settings as well as our forward collision alert. Right-hand side has our hands-free as well as the controls to adjust our center display console. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system in a touchscreen, AM/FM audio, our Bluetooth audio, as well as Sirius XM, phone projection, OnStar navigation, as well as a Wi-Fi hotspot. The bottom, we have some additional controls, including a CD player. If we hit our button here, we can lift up our screen. We can see in the back, we have a USB. Then below that, our dual zone front climate control, as well as our third rear climate control at the bottom. Left-hand side is our driver heated seat in the seat back as well as the seat cushion. And the passenger side is below the passenger nozzle. Then we have a 12-volt plug as well as 2 USB plugs and some storage below it. 2 cup holders, our center console. You can see we have a storage space on top. Inside the center console, we have deep storage, 12-volt plug, some storage in the front, as well as 2 USBs and an auxiliary input. Passenger seat, we can see, is also finished in our black leather and is also heated. Then above our rear view mirror, we have our universal garage door opener, lighting controls for our driver and our passenger on either side, powered liftgate button, our controls for the whole vehicle for our lightings, and then lastly, a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of our vehicle, moving down to our tires and rims, we have an alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap in orange. Moving up, we have our powered outside mirrors in a paint match finish, as well as paint match door handles. Across the bottom, we have our black assist step. Moving to the back of the vehicle. On the back, we can see our Chevrolet badging, as well as our Suburban badging. At the bottom, we have our max trailering package. Just below our Chevy logo, we have our backup camera. Opening up the rear, we have a button at the bottom. We can see we have a powered liftgate. In the back, we have 60/40 folding third row seating, as well as an all-weather mat. On the driver or passenger side, we have a 12-volt plug. Then to close the trunk, we have a button just up and on the right-hand side. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, some storage in the rest of the door. Inside the vehicle itself, we have a storage compartment in both the driver and the passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have a 110-volt plug, a 12-volt plug, as well as all of our controls for our third zone climate, and some storage across the bottom. Seats in our second row, we have a bench seat in a black leather finish. In the middle of our bench seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders as well as some storage. Moving to the third row, we have a lever down the side, and that folds our driver side as well as our middle seat. In the back row, we also have a bench seat for 3 in black leather. Passenger side has a cup holder and some storage. Driver side, we can see we have cup holders as well as a 12-volt plug. Our middle seat belt comes from the ceiling, and all seats fold in 60/40 folding split for additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.